Hey guys, this is how to upload a video to Bluesky. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Bluesky application, and after that guys, just simply tap on the post icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, which is the blue one with the pencil icon inside the box. And now from here guys, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you should be able to see the picture, and next to it you should be able to see the video icon. So just simply tap on the second icon, which is the video over here on the bottom. And from here, it will open up your gallery or your phone storage, and you should be able to see all of the videos that you have into your phone. And just simply go ahead and select a specific video. And as you can see, sadly, video must be less than 60 seconds long only. So guys, make sure to just simply upload only 60 video seconds. And now once you have selected a video, just simply wait for it to upload. And now you can just simply provide a description over here. And after that, guys, you can just simply go ahead and tap on post on the top right corner of the screen. And from there, you should be able to upload a video to Blue Sky and just simply wait for it to load up. Now, guys, once it is done, as you can see, our post has been published. In order for you to see that, you can just simply go ahead and go to your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you should be able to go to the post category and you should be able to see your video over here. But if you got too many posts, you can just simply go to the media over here where you can only see the media, which is the videos and photos that you have. And there you go. Thanks for watching. See ya.